Hi guys, it's Colette, and today for Water Marble March we're going to be working on this moonflower design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Not Milky White, topped with Holo Taco Lunar Unicorn Skin. Then for the water marble, I'll be using Not Milky White along with the matte top coat. And once I have my base color applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with tape as well as protective peel. As usual, for a water marble, we're working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is complete, you can start your design. I'm going to be pulling from the middle out in each of 8 directions. Then I'll be pulling back in between each of those towards the center. Once you're done drawing the design, try to get the petals as even as you can. A little bit of dipping can help to shift things around a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and line up my nails in the cup. I'm going to be going for about half of the design on each nail. And once I have them lined up, I'm going to go ahead and dip. Then I'm going to clean the excess off of the surface, so that doesn't stick on top of my design. And then I'm going to slowly pull them out. And there's the water marble. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my protection with a, oh goodness, these are stuck. Okay, cut these apart. Thought I maybe could just do it with a tweezer, but because the protective peel is pretty elastic, it can snap back, and if it snaps back on top of your wet nail, you could ruin your design. So if you get stuck together and it doesn't immediately break, I would say just cut it apart for your own safety. And then once I've got this removed, I'm going to go ahead and finish marbling the rest of my nails. Dude, that was so close. Once you've marbled all your nails, you can move forward with cleanup. I'm going to use a Q-tip dipped in acetone for any larger areas, and then I'll be going in a little bit more closely with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I finished cleanup, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I actually love how this turned out. My usual aesthetic is definitely more on the darker side with darker colors, but there's something about the way this unicorn skin plays with the white that I just really enjoy. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly, and if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.